Hello everybody. How are you guys tonight? Hoping you can see my nice fireplace here. It's so nice and warm and cozy. It's a little chilly outside here. Did you know that? Yeah, it's pretty chilly. Grandma had to wear a turtleneck today. So I have a train story for Walker, but I hope you other kids will like to listen to it too. I found some pictures I want to show Walker. These are from Colorado. And you'll have to tell me, do you think that's a steam train? It's a picture of a train. Let's see if I have another. Yeah, you can see it here too. Here's another one. I'll bring you the picture when I come to visit, okay? So that's a beautiful train from Colorado. And here's the train book we'll do today. Trains. All aboard. You're the conductor on this ride. See modern trains as well as some that chugged through history. So let's take a look. You can see this. I'm going to hold it up so you can see it. What do you think? Let's read what this says. Clack, clack, clack. A train comes up the tracks. It pulls into the station. Woo woo. Kind of looks like a subway train to me. I'm not sure. Whoosh. Train comes to a stop. The doors slide open. People hurry off and on. Okay, I'll show you this picture and then I'll read it. Boy, doesn't that look like a cool train you'd like to ride? I would too. I hope you can see it. Let me read it. Trains run on tracks called rails. A train runs smoothly over the metal rails. A subway train travels underground. It zips to many stops in the city for passengers. And this one is the bullet train. Zoom, zoom. It can go 200 miles per hour. That's 322 kilometers. Take a look at this one. Neat picture, huh? See, get a good look at that train? Click, click, click. A mountain train climbs up a steep hill. A special middle rail has grooves that look like teeth. The toothed rail latches to the train as it climbs. Then the train won't slip off the tracks. Boy, I think I had heard of that before. Have you heard of that before, Walker? I bet Daddy has. Oh, this one's neat. Look at the pictures and then I'll read it. This looks like the winter time with some snow there, huh? Can you see it? Chuck, 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 chuck. Freight trains haul heavy goods, such as cars and coal. They pull up to factories to easily load and unload goods. Woo woo! The engine pulls a freight train of railway cars. The engine is big and powerful. It's a beautiful one there, isn't it? Okay, take a look at this one, these pictures. Hope you can see them. Railway cars carry cargo. Hopper cars carry coal. Oh, you saw the coal there, right? There's the coal. Box cars carry animals. Tanker cars carry gas. Flat cars carry heavy cargo. They can even carry tanks. Boy, they could do a lot, huh? Did you see the tanker cars there? I think I can see the tanker cars. Can you? Ooh, these are nice. Take a look at this and then I'll read about these. This is the monorail over here on this side, a monorail. And then it goes through the, like a zoo here. Here, let me hold it up and then I'll read it. A monorail is a type of train that runs on one rail. People ride it for short trips. Ride a monorail around the zoo. The rail is up high. You'll be able to see far. Ooh, doesn't it look like fun to go on a monorail? Okay, now these are very cool, very modern. They look like they're fast, don't they? Let's read about these. A maglev train looks like it's flying. I hope I'm saying that right. Maglev? Magnets are placed on top of the train's rails. There are magnets underneath the train too. The magnets repel each other. This makes the train hover above the rails and move forward. Well, that is very cool. We have to learn more about that, huh? I don't think I knew about that. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Here's one we love. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? Trains need power to move. The first trains were powered by steam engines. They used fuel such as coal and wood. These are the ones Walker and Daddy know about, huh? And Hayes and Hadley. They're learning too. Okay, so this is a train from way back in the 1940s, even before Grandma was born. In the 1940s, diesel engines replaced steam engines. Diesel fuel burns inside the train's engine. This makes energy needed to power the motors. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Burlington route, it says. Okay, let's see. I'll show you these pictures, then I'll read it. The freight train is coming to a town. Railroad lights flash. Ding, ding, ding. The gate lowers. The lights and gates all tell the cars not to cross the tracks. When the train passes, the gate lifts up. And do you know that when I was a little girl, when Grandma was a little girl going to school, we had to stop 3 different times for train stops like this. 3 times before we got to school. It's because we lived far from the school. Okay, let's talk about these. Solar power from the sun. Let's learn about this. Solar power. Some trains use the sun to move. They have solar panels. The panels collect the sun's energy. On sunny days, extra energy is stored in the train's battery. That way, the train can still run when it's cloudy outside. So that's about solar power from the sun. Oh man, look at these beauties. Those are beautiful, fast trains, huh? Trains keep changing. Today, some trains can even run through long tunnels beneath water. That might be over in Europe under the English Channel. It's called the Channel, I think. Yeah, it is. The Channel train takes passengers under the sea between France and England. There is an underground tunnel train being built in India too. I have to wait and learn about that one. All aboard. Busy train station, huh? Millions of people ride trains every day. People use them to go to work, school, and on vacation. Which train do you want to ride? Oh, now here's a timeline. Let me show you this one. I'll show you that. There's the timeline. I'll just tell you about it quick. In 1892, Rudolf Diesel gets a patent for the first diesel engine. In 1904, New York City subway system opens. That's the subways in New York. 1938, the steam engine Mallard sets a world record as the fastest steam train. Okay, that's this one right here. Can you see it? Fastest steam train in 1938. Also before Grandma was born. 1964, the world's first bullet train is introduced in Japan. That's in 1964. So Grandma was 12 years old then. 1994, okay, down here, the Channel. That's the one we were just learning about. 1994, the Channel opens. The underwater railroad tunnel connects England and France. 2017, and that's not too long ago. Which one of you kids was born in 2017? Walker was born in 2016. Was Hayes born in 2017? I think so. An Australian company builds a self-driving freight train. Ooh, isn't that exciting? So there's that book about trains. I hope you liked it, especially Walker, because I know you like the trains. Okay? So I'll be talking to you soon. Night, night. Everybody be good, okay? Kiss your mommy and daddy for me, all right? Love you.